Hey folks, it's Marcos, back on the river with some reflections from Snowflake Summit 2026. After reviewing the keynotes, announcements, customer stories, and industry conversations coming out of San Francisco, one thing became crystal clear: the agentic enterprise has arrived. But as exciting as the AI announcements were, that's not actually what stood out most. The real story is what sits beneath the AI. Because after all the demos, product launches, and excitement around agents, Snowflake kept coming back to the same message. AI is only as good as the data foundation supporting it. As I stood back and looked across all the announcements, it felt a lot like watching a river system. Everyone gets excited about the speed of the water, the rapids, the movement, the destination. But none of that happens without the riverbed underneath. That's exactly what's happening with AI right now. Organizations everywhere are racing to build agents, automate workflows, and create new experiences powered by large language models. But many are discovering that agents don't magically solve data problems. They expose them. If your data is fragmented, poorly governed, difficult to access, or lacking business context, your AI agents will struggle just as much as your employees do today. That's why Snowflake spent so much time talking about governance, context, interoperability, and trusted data. Announcements like Horizon Context, Cortex Sense, Adaptive Compute, OpenFlow, Iceberg Innovations, and expanded governance capabilities weren't side stories. They were the foundation of the entire summit. At Seven Rivers, we've been talking about this for years through our data native model. Before organizations can create meaningful AI-powered actions, they need trusted foundations. Before they can operationalize AI agents, they need business insights. And before they can generate measurable business value, they need both to work together. That's why our model starts with foundation, moves into insights, and ultimately enables actions. What Snowflake showed at Summit wasn't a departure from that philosophy. It was validation of it. The most successful organizations won't be the ones with the most agents. They'll be the ones with the best governed, contextualized, and connected data ecosystems. That's what enables an agentic enterprise. And that's why the biggest takeaway from Summit wasn't simply that AI is getting smarter. It's that the organizations investing in modern data foundations today will be the ones able to move fastest tomorrow. As Snowflake continues to build the infrastructure for the agentic enterprise, the opportunity for business leaders is becoming increasingly clear. Don't start with the agent, start with the foundation. Because when your data flows properly, everything else grows from there. That's my takeaway from Snowflake Summit 2026. Keep your data flowing, stay ahead of the current, and we'll see you upstream.